You know, I always wanted to make a video on this. Yep, the things you should start doing as soon as you turn 20. And we have finally made a video for that. And you see, all those people who have succeeded in their lives and lived their life happily made some changes during their 20s. And as I recently turned 20, I decided to make a list of things that would make my life and your life better. And I can't wait to discuss it with you. So just sit back and let me enlighten you. And the first point is working on your personality. Personality, what is it? People talk about this all the time, but what is it? Well, if I had to define it in 3 words, it would be thinking, feeling and behaving. Basically, personality is the identity you hold for yourself. And when you become an adult, you should have a good personality, which in this case is in turning 20. So you need to start developing your own identity, which should be unique. So a good personality includes a good listener, a confident person, taking decisions wisely, and a nicely groomed person. So if you want to be groomed, you can watch a playlist for grooming. And one more thing, one of the things that is very important to develop your personality is your dressing sense. Yes, if you want to outshine people, you need to have a good dressing sense. Mark it. So I have listed the things here which are necessary to develop your personality. And you should start developing your personality as soon as possible, because you have to outshine others with their ambitious goals and these things. So go and do it. Number 2, having achievable goals. Let's get this straight, guys. If you want to be successful and you don't have any goals with proper planning, then you're not going to succeed. Trust me. So what I think is you should break your goals in 2 parts, long term and short term. And you should write on a piece of paper. Why? Because people say that you have more chances of achieving your goals if you write on a piece of paper. And how are you going to do that? Let's give you an example. So you can take a piece of paper and write a short-term goal. For example, you have to lose 10 kgs in the next 3 months. And you can do it effectively and write the things effectively with your planning so you can achieve this goal. And you know it. It's going to be better than thinking it in your mind. And one more goal which is important is obviously family and relationship goals. You should have them, you should communicate with your family, and you should keep some goals for them too. Personally, I also love having fitness goals, which I'm working on right now, and you will see some videos of that coming very soon. And one more goal which people work on effectively is finances. They properly plan their finances and keep a note of them. So be prepared with your financial goals as well. And at last, I would like to conclude this point by saying keep a notebook and keep writing your goals, as I told you, in short term, long term and other, basically finances and all. So let's move on to the next point. Point number 3, start saving money. Well, this is a very simple point and everyone knows it. But you know one thing, a very few follow this. And we end up getting broke with a bunch of pennies in our pockets. And then when we don't have any money, we have to take it from our friends and family. And you must remember that after a few years, you're going to get married and you have to pay money for the bills and expenses. So the bottom line is, my friends, that you need to start saving money. And I will give you one tip. Just start saving 20% of the money you get or your pocket money. It works. It really works. I suggest you to do it because I do it too. And I'm telling you so many points, but you should save money so that you can buy things you're passionate about, like guitar or soccer shoes or anything like that. And please don't spend money on the things that you don't like, especially if they are crazy expensive, like these things. And the best thing that I would like to suggest you for saving money is that like this video. No, I'm just kidding. But still, please like this video. So finally, the best thing that you could do for saving money is invest it in places like mutual funds or in your savings bank. So you will not have the urge to spend the money on crazy things and waste it all the time. And it's going to be worth it. So let's move on to the next point. And number 4 point, stop procrastinating, dude. So there's one thing, we talked in a second point about goals, but you'll only achieve them if you work hard and complete your task on time. So you don't need to delay it and stop procrastinating, dude. So it doesn't matter what you do now or you did yesterday. You need to do one thing, which is be punctual and do things on time. Not to be lazy. Come on, just do your task. You'll feel very good when you achieve your goals. Trust me. The thing I want to talk about is short-term gratification. You know, sometimes we do things that give us pleasure in short term, but then we are not able to do our work and achieve our goals in long term. Just like watching TV series for the whole day in 6 to 7 hours and then not being able to perform the work that is necessary. Yes, it's a waste of time. You should not do it every time, but you can do it sometimes, obviously. Procrastination is becoming a big habit for young teens and young adults, and we need to break it as soon as possible and start working our asses off to achieve our goals. So we need to break this chain as soon as possible. Just break it slowly. Do one task a day and complete it on time so that you can achieve your goals and dream and be above the others. So let's move on to the next point. Last point, which is my favorite, which is start traveling places. Listen to me guys, I don't know if you like traveling or not, but I love it. And I've planned a lot of trips as soon as this ends. And you know the best thing? We're gonna make a vlog out of all those trips and it's gonna be amazing, trust me. Now that you're a mature person, you need to start traveling and see the beauty of life. And I'm not talking about going to a friend's party or something like that. You need to start traveling to different states and different countries if possible. It's gonna be a beautiful feeling, trust me. So, traveling. Yes, we can do it alone, but it's more fun when we do it with the friends and with the family. Because you know, you need to have some moments in your life of joy and having these beautiful vibes around. So, I recommend you one thing, which is writing a list of places which you want to go and travel with your friends and family and even alone. So, this is one thing that you should do no matter how old you are. If you're a guy who is 30 and watching this, you should do it too. And just tell me in the comment section which places would you like to visit as soon as this pandemic ends totally. List in the comment down. Mention it in the comments. And thank you for watching this video.
No, I'm not in the video. I'm here to tell you just one thing. Like the video and comment down in the video. And also subscribe to our channel. And. That's too much and listen to the upcoming message. That's it. Bye.
And if you know someone who is in their 20s, share this video with them and help them. One more thing, tell us in the comment section which is the one thing that you think should have been included in this video. Do tell us in the comment section. And finally, that's all boys, we'll be back soon.